this is the final product.
I know.
YouTube, what's poppin'? It's your girl Nini the Creative back with another video. And as you can see by the title of this video, we are installing passion twists with no rubber bands, might I add, because rubber bands are so 2020. But before we get into this video, definitely smash that like button. I'ma wait. You smashed it. Okay, cool. Smash that like button if you're disobedient. Hit that subscribe button. If you're new here, welcome. Subscribe to my channel. If you're not, welcome back. Definitely leave me a comment. But regardless, whether you're new or old, definitely like, comment, and share this video with anyone who might want to be slayed and laid. But anyway, so when I was looking for on YouTube to find out how to do this method or how to install these passion twists, I had a couple questions. So I'm going to address the questions like right now, and throughout the duration of the video of me actually doing my hair, I'll readdress them because I answer them or I'm talking during the video, so you'll probably, you know, hear it again. But for the people who are impatient like I was, I'm just going to lay it out right here. So this is an 18-inch water wave hair. I got it on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. And I used 4 packs out of the 6 that it came with. I guess my head is small, but like exactly 4 packs is crazy. And then it took me about 5 hours. And that included the pre-parting, the parting, the braiding, and the actual installation, crocheting the locks in. Not the locks, the twists in. So if you're curious and you're just anxious to see how I actually did it, just stay tuned and enjoy the ride. Alright guys, so to complete this hairstyle, you're going to need a couple things. So obviously you're going to need hair. I got this hair from Amazon from this company called Iblequio Hair. I hope I'm saying it properly. I'm probably not, but I'll put the link in this. I'll put the link in the description. So we have it. Just came with hair, 6 packs of 18-inch water wave hair. It came with a crochet needle. It came with rubber bands, but we don't need those because we're not using any rubber bands in this method, period. So besides that, you'll need a comb, obviously, to make parts. You need a brush to smooth those parts and make them look neat and cute. I'm not going to use edge control. I'm going to use this brown buttermilk by Camille Rose. So first things first, I'm going to pre-section my hair. I feel like pre-sectioning my hair will allow me to have more precise parts, and it'll allow me to power through the braiding process, which can take long when you're trying to part and everything. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna come back when all my parts are pre-parted, period. Alright y'all, so like I said, I pre-parted my hair. So as you can see, I pre-sectioned it. So all I have to do is just go back in and make the vertical parts. So I'm going to, it's easier to show you what I want to do from the front of my head. So I'm going to go ahead and braid it up. And when I get to the front, I'll show you a couple of how we're going to braid it. So then we can crochet the water weave, the water crest, the water wave, that hair, the passion twist hair, period. So as you can see, my hair, let me take this out. The hair is all braided. Right? It's parted and braided. So I'm gonna do this last one for you. So I'm using this Camille Rose brown buttermilk. So I put a little bit on my finger. And you just, you know, put it on the perimeter. Work it in. And then I just braid, or plait, whatever you want to call it. And I'm gripping tight because this is the foundation of where your passion twist will lie. So you want this to be pretty good. And you just braid it down just a little bit. That should be enough. So next is the installation of the actual passion twist.
3 hours later.
Alright y'all, so as you can see, I have installed all of them, but I wanted to come and show you guys how I installed the last one, and I'm gonna try to get as close as I can. Okay, so first things first, you see how I only have it braided like just a few little loops? Well, that's on purpose, and I'll show you why later. So we're going to well, my hair is already moisturized, but I'm gonna put this Eco Styler gel, and y'all, I used this entire thing. That's crazy. I've never used this much gel, but I'm gonna show you how I do it. So you put the gel on the strand, and your hair, wait, it's stuck. Your hair comes like this. So I'm using 2 pieces. So 1 piece. They already like come pre-sectioned. So that's 1 piece. And this is 2 pieces, right? So I put them in my hand like this. Get them even. And then I just hold it like this. Right? See, I'm just holding it like this. Then I stick this, I open it. This is how I do it anyway. I open it, and then I stick it through, and I catch the hair. I guide the hair onto the latch. I close the latch, and then I pull it through, right? So you're gonna have this loop. So I'm gonna pull the hair through, but I'm also going to grab my real hair, which is this right here. Okay, so I grab it all and I pull the hair so that it's tight, like this. And then I just keep 2 and 2, grab 2 strands and 2 strands, and I twist. And I twist tight. Like, I'm not like down here twisting. Like, I'm twisting, and every time I twist, yep, mama, that's for hair. Every time I twist, I'm tightening. And then I use gel to put it down. And I use the gel to keep my real hair from sticking out, so it just basically blends. You just keep twisting, and again, you see how I'm twisting. Tahila. Okay, I guess she wanted some gel too. And you just keep adding the gel. Uh-oh. Like every couple little swishes, you add the gel. And you see that the only point of the braided little section that was like this much braided was just so I can crochet the fake hair underneath my real hair and it's secure. So that defeats the purpose for rubber bands. We don't need rubber bands. And then when you get to the ends, you just twirl them. And then you cut the excess. But you just twirl, twirl. And that's it. This is the final product.
I go.